To uninstall bloatware on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter about phone information and then click on storage. After that, we can scroll down to the deep clean, select it, and here select uninstall apps. That way you will see all of the apps that you can uninstall, and my device is like 15 minutes after setup, and those are all of the apps from bloatware. So select whichever apps you want to actually remove, and this will be the TikTok, WPS, Booking, Dust, Settle, LinkedIn, Tilefan, Gallery Editor, Woodblast, Word Scenery Crossword, Spotify, Xiaomi Home, Blockblast, AliExpress, SnakeZone.io, Amazon Shopping, Jules Blast, Block Puzzle Guardian, Home, Bubble Shooter and Friends, OneDrive, MI Store, Wallpaper Carousel, MI Remote, Opera News, MI Mover, Google Wallet, Temu, Files by Google, Clock, Google News, Calendar, Find Hub, My Doc Viewer, Netflix, Instagram, and finally Facebook. So all of those apps combined take around 4 GB of space, and you can install them right here, uninstall them right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.